Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back. My name is Swati and I am a travel vlogger. Now, as a travel vlogger, the number one assumption that people have about me is that I go from trips to trips back to back. And that is far from the truth. As much as I love to travel, I also like to come back home and follow my routine. And when I'm at home, trust me, I'm a complete homebody. I love lounging around, I like exercising, and I also love to get my sleep. Now, sleep being a very important one. Something as basic and important as sleep is so ignored in our day-to-day life, and as a society, we are somewhere at fault. We have been glorifying hustle or pulling all-nighters. In fact, when I was younger, I would wear it as a badge that, oh, today I did an all-nighter. But it's not really cool. So I read this book by Matthew Walker by We Sleep, and was such an eye-opener. Sleep is so important for so many different things in our life, from even remembering things. Like sleep is actually crucial for your memory, for connecting different aspects of life, which is why when we have a problem, sometimes they say, nah, like I'll sleep on it. So it's not something to just say, there is science behind it. Of late, since the past few months, I have been really trying to get better, good quality sleep, and it's worked for me to some extent. These are some tips which has worked for me, and I hope that these work for you. Number one is to be regular with your sleep timings. Now, this is a big one for me. I still struggle with it as a person who's always believed that I'm a night owl, and also I work from home. I work on my timing. It's been such a struggle to fix timing for me. I'm really working on it, and I hope that one day I can with certainty say that I have fixed it. But to a large extent, it's improved quite a lot for me. Some of the tips that really worked for me in this department is to not take my phone to bed, which I always used to do. And I had this mindset that, I could just watch something and sleep off. That is such a bad thing to do, such a poor thing to do. So whatever timing you fix, just don't take your phone, just don't take any iPad or phone or any distraction. With this, you may struggle for some days, but eventually you'll get there and you will be able to sleep at one particular time. My second tip is to get darkness in the room where you're sleeping. You can do this by getting blackout curtains, and they work like magic. My third tip is to get a good mattress. We all know that a good mattress is crucial for your back. It can relieve you of back pain. But a good mattress is also important for you to get a good sleep. For that, I recently got Sleepycat's original mattress. The mattress comes safely secured in a bag and got delivered in just 72 hours. If you ask me, this is a no-risk mattress. It has a 10 years warranty and a 100 nights free trial. What else do you want, right? It's good for all kinds of sleepers, including side sleepers like me. How this works is that this is a medium firm memory foam mattress, and it releases pressure from your hips and your shoulders. Having said that, there are two distinct reasons that sold this mattress to me. Number one is motion isolation. Basically, in this, if you have a partner who rolls a lot while sleeping, then this mattress can really help you because this does not transfer movement. The second big reason for me is the machine wash easy zip cover. Now, this one is so cool. You can literally take the covers out and put it for wash. The mattress cover comes with linen and anti-skid base, which is so cool. And the foam cover is of course for the foam. Now if you see the foam, there are three layers. The first layer is the airgen memory foam. It ensures airflow and heat reduction. The second is the transition layer. This is the aeroflow transition foam. It ensures comfort and firmness. The bottom layer is the high density foam layer. This helps in maintaining stability, center of gravity, and gives structure to the mattress. The overall comfort of this mattress is also just great. It's not too soft or too firm, which if you ask me is just perfect. I don't like really firm mattresses. I feel like they're a little uncomfortable. And if the mattress is too soft, even though I like to sleep on a too soft mattress once in a while, but the next day when I wake up with a really bad back pain. Whereas with this mattress, it's just perfect. It's just perfectly soft enough that it does not give me a back pain, and if you sleep on this for a long time, this may even improve the already existing back pain that you may have. So if you ask me, this is a great mattress. I will leave a link to it in the description box. Check it out if you're interested in a good quality mattress. The fourth tip is to get some exercise, some movement. This is something which I think we all know. On days when we work out and we exhaust ourselves, we sleep better. And not only that, because we are exhausted, we are sleeping better. But when we exercise, our blood circulation is also better. So when we are sleeping, we actually get all the benefits of what we are supposed to do while we are sleeping. So definitely consider incorporating some exercise if you want to get a good night's sleep. Last but not the least is the most difficult to actually practice, and that is to avoid caffeine and alcohol. Alcohol is not a big deal for me, but to avoid coffee was a real struggle. I am someone who needs like 3 cups of coffee in a day. I have this mindset that if I want to function, I need coffee. In fact, that was kind of like a replacement for sleep for me, which is so bad. But you got to do what you got to do. One way for you to reduce the consumption of coffee, I still need my coffee, don't get me wrong. I do need my coffee in the morning, but one way for you to reduce the consumption is, of course, to cut down. If you're having 3 4 cups of coffee, then please cut down, reduce it. You can go slow by slow, but also to avoid coffee after 4 p.m. No matter what time you are going to bed, but just cut off, just don't have any cup of coffee after 4 p.m. So by that way, even if you're sleeping at 10 o'clock, your body has had the time to process it. But if you say have coffee at 7 p.m. or 8 p.m., then that may not be a great idea. And when it comes to alcohol, people think that drinking will give you good sleep. That is such a myth, because alcohol is just like a sedative. Even though temporarily it may give you like good sleep, but that is just temporary, and the effects are going to wear off, and in the long run it is absolutely bad for you. Definitely do, you can drink couple of drinks here and there, but just don't drink to sleep. That's what the whole concept is. So yeah, with that, that's pretty much it. These are some of the basic things that I have been mindful about. I feel like these are not any groundbreaking tips, but these are just things that you can keep in mind. And only if you prioritize sleep, and if you make it a point to improve the quality of your sleep, that it will actually improve. Otherwise, we all go to bed, we all get some form of sleep every single day, but the idea is to get good quality sleep so that it can enhance the overall quality of your life. For that, you need to be a little mindful, especially because the time that we live in, we are so distracted. So I hope that this video helps you, and if it did, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're new here. I'll see you all very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.